Breakfast is ready. Come eat with sunshine. We got eggs with cheese, a sausage, a little grape jelly on the side, and two breads. I didn't toast them. How you like your bread? A little toasted? Mm-hmm. I got me some mustard on the side for my sausage. Oh, stop embarrassing me like that. You know what? I'm gonna have to go get the new bottle because I'm done with you. You didn't have to embarrass me like that. So, how's your morning going? I hope your morning woke up prosperity, abundance, love, cared for, and just blessed to be on the other side of the earth today. Okay? Amen. Amen. So we got that out of the way. We're gonna have a good day today. Today is Saturday. Nothing but blessing, love, good health is coming our way. Claim it. Here, get your piece of sausage. You like yours with mustard? Why you ain't tell me that? Now some people like it with mustard. Let me go ahead for a bite. I know it's hot. I just got out the air fryer. Let me get prepared. Let me get prepared. Oh, oh, mm-mm. That sauce is gonna be good every time. Every time. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm hungry. That's why I ain't saying nothing. So what y'all have planned today? Wherever you go, I just pray that you make it a safe sound. Should I say safe and sound? Sorry. Mm-hmm. Let me put a little jug on my sausage. I should have toasted my bread. Let me get some more jelly. Mm. It be them juicy pump flying out of that sausage. That's what burns. That would be burning your lip, your mouth. On a positive note, go do what your heart desire. Go do what your heart desire to do. If it's on your heart, go do it. Don't keep postponing it. I should. Here's your confirmation. You're beautiful, you're handsome, and whatever your heart desires, go do it. Go do it. Stop putting it off. Mm, mm, mm. I just want to say, you are strong. You've been holding together when nobody else saw it. You are strong. And what you've been having your heart desire on, it's coming. It's coming. You just going through a storm right now. I don't know. It's just like some just coming out of nowhere and want me to say that, but like you is going to make it. I don't know who you are, but you is going to make it and you're going to be all right. You wake up and put a smile on your face and you keep going every day. Nobody never knows what you are going through, but you. You cry about it in your car. You cry about it at night. Or just being sad, excuse me. But you've been getting signs, whatever it is, it's already worked out. It's already been made. You already manifest over. You already prayed over. You already dreamed about it, thought about it. Like you feel it in your heart and soul that it's your desire. Like I don't do mukbang. Like I don't even know. Like it's something that I feel. I don't know who gonna watch the video, but whoever watch it, it's different for you, baby. Okay, time running down. I'm gonna finish eating my breakfast. Love you. Mwah, 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 mwah. Have a blessed day.